Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to me people all around the world. It depends on the time when they get me message. I greet the stakeholders and grassroots supporters of the mighty APC. Today I come for talk to the mighty APC supporters and stakeholders. For let we stay focused and for make sure everything where we put out for strengthening the party for this coming election 2028, for succeed one, for counter governance, anything where we know say, you get for day against the party or for wipe them off. Just like the two enemies we get where they fight Mama Salom and fight the APC. Because anybody in that country we want change, we want something good for that country today, I know say you will support the mighty APC. Anybody we want changes, we want good governance, therefore support the mighty APC. But anybody where they try for undermine the APC, it means in all of the country, in all of the people of Sierra Leone. Just like the social media's electoral justice Samora. Then are the second enemies and a strong enemies than the SLPP for them the APC. But through the leadership we get, when a wise people when a people when they think ahead of them people here, we believe say they're not able for them the APC. More than they try for them the APC, more the APC become more stronger than before. But also, we they still they come for refresh, for enforce, for give reinforcement to the mighty APC stakeholders and to give courage to the grassroots supporters of the mighty APC. We all the listing the bloggers of the electoral justice. You know, sometimes they can come and some allegations them against the stakeholders of the mighty APCs and the honorables and others. They can come with some allegations. And the allegations the way they make, we believe say not just say propaganda, blackmail, then they try for do because of this electoral justice way that they talk about. Now fake something. Just like yesterday I listed in Castbox a message where they say why people in the take something when democracy they blind down with a fake or a lie or something else. You see the doubt on Salon people. You know, we just want for they tell these people and say Salon people you know me say like people be fooled before. And just focus people are not being focused on the media, people are not being focused on politics, how politics they go. But nowadays, where we depend so now, everybody focus, even the one where you been the thing say na munku na the village. They focus because they think about in future, they think how the country for run, how everybody for be happy. So you not go able come and dirty the brain of people because everybody they listen radio now, listen social media, because we get people where they educate the people for know how government for run, how party for run, and how country for run. So this electoral justice, where una say una dey talk about electoral justice, una not believe in what una dey pam. Una not believe in una fight. Because if una believe in una fight the una dey pam, una not for the attack the APC stakeholders where they make Samura become flag bearer 2018. But if una they decide for go after them people here, una they decide for go after the former president, that means una not believe in or una not believe in una fight. Because if una believe in una fight, una not for go after anybody. Una for make sure una fight una dey pam. If una true a democratic way una want for do the fight. If una believe in una what una dey pam, una go about what una dey pam for let become successful for Sierra Leone people and for the APC as a whole. But for the real fact una dey come and attack the leadership of the mighty APC, una dey come and attack the former president. That they so say, una not believe una fight and una not stand for the people of Sierra Leone. Una always stand for una own self-interest, because when Samura become the flag bearer for 2018, let we forget for 2023, let's forget about 2018. Samura open office on his own, decide for stay there than the office, na the party office. He open office on his own. When some of una own at the day, own a day na the diaspora, own a be one can loot the country, one not even get the sabi. Una support all na direct to Samura una be can rather than forget the support direct to the APC. Because of that, affect una, because una been the sideline, the strong people in the APC, the people away they fight for the APC, the people away they structure the APC, una decide for sideline them, una been the work with Samura directly with in cabal like then Lansana Farikade. Now make everything fail pauna because una not work at the right way. And because of una not work at the right way, they say post way meets the darkness. Now they so you say for Sidon. The stakeholders there, they wanna turn as enemy today. Wanna they try to fight them. When them be say, then sabi everything personal. They understand personal. They don't see the world personal. They don't see money personal. And then people here they turn against. Where they for direct to the road on for waka. Samura na blind man. Just like how una they say Samura not a politician. Samura na blind man. Samura na be ordinary person for work under people. But if they can't put on before, for let Samura self they bring people in for work. If for listening to the old people we be not in the party, the people who don't rule in the party, they forget direction. But if you una been they dominate the leadership of the party, then una been they tell Samura what if for do, now una the direct them, and what una be they tell them because now una be they fund them directly. Now then the Samura work with, make Samura do this bad deal. And the bad deal where Samura do, then do affect even we today, even the APC today. Because of the bad deal, the bad direction una be give Samura. And still I make una they still they continue forget bad direction as Castbox and others be the talk say let Samura go form another political party. Una feel say Samura popular more than the APC. Would they tell una for say just like what una see 2018 where they appoint Samura where nobody no be Sabian. But because of the mighty APC, Samura become popular than any other person na the party that same day. And I know they realize for say that the mighty APC makes Samura become popular. If Samura decide to move away from the mighty APC, una go see the downfall of Samura where go be to nobody in that country day. Una be they think about before. Because of una bad direction. As at the listing, the Lioness from the north, also what they talk about the leadership, about the former president, about this electoral justice. You know, Some of we, just like how we can talk now, we'll be see on our audios, and before we'll be see on our messages, we'll be listing them before we share. Because the messages all have been proud out before the election have been good. We will not be the fight for individual fight. We will be the fight for the people of Sierra Leone. The Lionists from the north, today where they come in, talk things them about the mighty APC. The Ibrahim will not be the see one side. The cast box. A little time will not be the see one side. Where cast box come and talk against Dana for declare for Dana Konomani for being the vice president. Only this past election we see people and they say that this will forgive. Una they decide before the party. Quetta, Castbox, Ibrahim. Una sidon na una media say Dana Konomani na fit for be the vice. This Lionists from the north na come and debunk that statement. It make audio pass 1 month to 2 months. Pass will get vice president before they stop that message day. Today they go against Terry Coco. They talk all kind of things. When a lie propaganda against Terry Coco, Lionists from the north, they talk to so. Say no account for made appoint Dana as a flag vice president because you get the things that we explain. They no go give somebody who not credible. Where the person, if they go and keep man them, forget position. If they follow the big guns and the mighty APC, forget position. So if you know mind for me then give woman, but me then screen the woman then, not to all woman no more, then they say now this forgive. So if then people they can say, me then give Dana, me then do screening. Because you be there against Dana. But Quetta, Ibrahim, Castbox, be done declare for Dana. You come and debunk. Say that woman they not fit. They not fit. It make audio pass 2 months where they put that talk there. Today, the Terry Coco Samura be appointing how they go against. So what in a message? We been the list in a message and I make una message is not relevant anymore. It's not relevant anymore because I not get message. You the Lionists from the north can't tell we about $10,000 we then give $10 million we then give to Samura. We pass through the Senegal president. As a bribe, you don't sell out. You're not the first person we come and tell we that day. Today now you come and stand say they fight for electoral justice today be in Samura. Are you playing? Are you playing? And then make we self decide for come for the tell the people who da una be. Una not truthful. To the people of Sierra Leone, una not truthful. To the mighty APC. Una just there for the born people and credit them uselessly. The Castbox where they come and debunk Dana in statements we make. The Castbox. You forget? You are the first person where pull audio say Dana deserve the vice president. Today they come and condemn Diana. For so say una not straightforward. For so say una get what una the fight for. Now una self-interest una the fight for. Now beyond una self-interest make una dump Quetta. Then the halaki bobo we she na Ghana when a dog salo. They come and say Nanes by Kuruma fund that kudi in Peking. Say Nanes by Kuruma in Peking fund that kudi. You get proof? You get the proof? The money we call where them pay, can he bring the receipt? Because can he bring the receipt as a proof? Because all your messages them where they you don't get any proof. It's just they allege and lie, continue for propaganda, lie to the people of Sierra Leone and to the one that way fool where them believe in you. Now Diana they say Diana stop from 3. Where you? Also education where you sabi. What do you know about the education? Where you be there at Sierra Leone? Whose sector where you been the work? You don't ever be a teacher? Nursery school teacher? Why not they condemn people who don't be ministers in that country? Why not they condemn people who don't do well in that country? What in on a level and what the owner don't do for say when I don't work na this side, when I don't work na this side. Not all like when some people and they work na some side way na honor the cleaners there. But because of them don't work in their offices and they then say I don't work in this office. Maybe say something like cleaner. So then people are on they come and condemn. We believe in them and we trust in them. And 2028 APC they go na power. APC they hold the power. APC they be inside governance. When nothing no go stop them. Because una plan the owner get. Because the APC, the SLPP don't already fail. It don't already fail. Even for the past election, we all know say SLPP don't win the election. People are not vote for the SLPP. We all know say SLPP defeat the election to the people of Sierra Leone and the mighty APC. But who that beg for let this thief be granted? If an Castbox they talk say somebody with a thief, then they say back me can explain. Because of the person I connive with the thief man. Now connive with the thief man. If you not been connive with the thief man, they know they ask them for like can give statement. But if you not connive with the thief man, they go ask you for like give statement. Because nothing will know people in the connive just for blindfold people and nothing the way they happen. Samura connive with Marabio for steal the election to these people of Sierra Leone because of your self-interest. Because he bring bad people in the director. He beget bad people around and not to the leadership. Mislead Samura. They make Samura be reject any suggestion where the leadership they carry it. They say no. This I don't work on them and it will come out fine for we and the people of Sierra Leone. Una Ibrahim no interview Samura. You know what is Samura talk, how you go meet Marabio and what in they arrange and what in the reason why make he agree for let the member of parliament then go to parliament. Well, they can blame Abdul Kagwe AKK. Una they can blame the Terry Kode. Una know what is Samura talk, not to other person talk for her. Now talk. It is on camera. And the video still there. Samura come and tell Una what he make him meet Marabio. How they go about them. So why Una one can still stupid Sierra Leone people? And now not stupid Sierra Leone people are not stupid anymore. No matter Una then at the diaspora. Una not feel Una not take Una self say Una wise past the people and way then at the villages then. For let Una they come and make propaganda. Then Una they come and talk say, the way dogs alone talk 10 days they say. Unless my Kuruma, now send this so amount to Dana, for let Dana go talk, coaching they be expected Dana talk, nothing Dana go talk. And then they pay expose this. Now they pay expose. Because on a council of una media, right now they don't scatter. Don't scatter because of money business. All man they take and say this they eat past me, this they eat past me, then they send to this past this. Don't scatter. Una they can fight una self. Now make MS Bangura they come advise una. Any election una make for una your council, media, na legitimate. Because sooner una know they operate with the leadership of the mighty APC. Anything we una make about an election, na fake. Nobody no go recognize am as MS Bangura don't tell una. And at the real thing, he don't tell una so. So better una dey so una dey pa una roto rata. Una dey pa una boto bata. Because una no stand for the real fight. For let una dey go talk say Alfred Peter Conte for come. Let come. And una don't begin put up in flyers then. Let come. Alfred Peter Conte not bring any changes in the party. All what he can fight for, now use them, they use them. For I listen, somebody in, I'll just forget the policy. For let the man can in Sierra Leone for a couple of years. Now hotel they live. You say get the money. Now use them, they use them because it been come for a mission for damage the APC. And then delay the APC for go to convention. Because if he believes say, if they fight for instruction the APC to the right way, they decide for going to court. If they decide for me to the elders, then everybody bring your ideas. The elders them, they give right to everybody, they give opportunity to everybody. For let's say something, if it is something way good for the party, then go come and accept them. But for taking the party to court, and we be say, they say people are enemy of the APC, they no one that the APC come to power. So that they fund you and you come and fight the party. But also, you fight yourself because this, the dent your career. Yes, those things then they will change the constitution will help the APC, even for this coming election. Because somebody will be don't left the party, go, then he come back, we accept them. But you get for start back, just like we did at the army. If you be there the rank of colonel, you resign, the one can join the army again, they come as a colonel. He come back, start fresh. Like the Sansumana them. We welcome him. Welcome back to the party. But what you the demand for, and what you bloggers and the demand for, say it wrong. If really you come for support the party, you come for the party, you come for let you respect full up na the party, you go make sure you go according to the constitution. And not they do for church against this constitution. Now they will the left. These are just church that side. Because of one of the good things that they way the Rita Peter Conte do. What is Alfred Peter Conte do? So Alfred Peter Conte, this is one of the good side of what he do. But you fight the APC, you put the APC being weaker. So if them bobo they are way they go against you over what they do, because of they don't fail, and you know the first person where they announce Madabi as a winner, we congratulate Madabi. You congratulate her. We see him. So if you Pandewa then fail fight where they fight, then they not succeed. Then they say, there you come. Come, you meet we. The party where you make, then change, constitution remove, some people learn from their position, you go meet them. Where they're stronger than you. No matter how they fund you, let them fund you. But still you will fail. And you not go get that space. Because your mission not been complete. And you're not going to be able to complete that mission. Because APC don't structure more than today. How una they think? Una they look outside. Una don't know what's in the inside. But what's in the inside, if you know una they see down, una keep quiet. Una come and support the mighty APC. Rather than for come and fight against the APC. And you see electoral justice, una kawit. The APC not condemn him. The leadership of the mighty APC not condemn him. Then support say, okay, una go ahead. But the party get for go according to the constitution. For register to the time, let nobody no can take the party in a court. So the party for do the right thing, for protect the party, una take us in a bad. So now una the people who get the bad plan for the party. And let the people of Sierra Leone know that say, this Samurai electoral justice, Lamwe, then go form, blah, 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 blah. This is not enemy of the APC, enemy of the people of Sierra Leone. Let people of Sierra Leone know that. Say them people are not stand for fight for the past election. This all 2023 election where they use it, they stand for fight for. And while the people of Sierra Leone know say, now fake fights then they pound. Then get their agenda. They know they fight for the people of Sierra Leone, they know they fight for the mighty APC. Then they fight for their own self-interest because they know let the APC kind of power, Madabio they continue to give them money. Madabio they continue to give Samura money. Because Awale una know say Samura and Madabio they attend one church. where the father of that church dey, then call Marabio and Samura talk between them. We make Samura. Now one of the advisor, Dandy, we use Samura with the people away there at the diaspora, where they in support of this electoral justice. Make Samura fuck up everything. And when I know they realize for say, Samura, Marabio the first point person in that country, the way appoint Samura as a minister. And then Tinea Awale when I realize. So Samura they work in favor of Marabio, now operative of Marabio. So if Samura succeed for fight against the APC for this coming election, now more money Samura they make. But also, Samura, if you follow what in Bobo then they tell him, let Samura believe say all the work we don't work for that country, the way then they say don't work, don't work, don't work. When not you know the way the sources na Samura na don't do this, na Kamalo, na don't do that, na they do this, or na the country, where then they point at. Pass you go continue for take care of that family. Because nobody no go appoint you again for work in that country because you go continue for be together country. You go continue for be together country. Me I tell you this because you go undermine that government today. Pass matter be give you job now, no problem. But nobody no go give you job because people in the way they don't graduate. We what you sabi, then sabi and pass you because they say don't go read, then get another head. Job they know they for them. We be safe. If the APC kind of power, then people and they will able to put them and we go monitor them and we will make sure say they do the right work for the people of Sierra Leone. Now for continue for the put day, they make them it don't work for 40 years. Work for 40 years, what is Samura do for the people of Sierra Leone? Rather than for himself. Now for himself no more. We're not get anything we do for the people of Sierra Leone. Oh, what are they talking about propaganda? Samura don't do this, Samura this, Samura that, Samura this. You go continue for develop a farm. Whether a farm they say some part they burn, some part wait all the money where you bloggers and they talk say you get money, you get money, you get money. That farm they fire enough for the Gupana. Let you know say they pass day every day. And they use that road day every day. Fire enough for the burn that farm day. But even that farm they don't have a controller. Because you know able pay the workers away for pay for me they take care of that family. Well, how people in the talk about them. Like we so nobody know the tell you about them because on the same side they'll come on. I pass day every day, every week, every day. I must use that road. So the people of Sierra Leone, the supporters of the mighty APC, this Samura Kamara electoral justice, I want Leona believe in the APC. Leona believe in the APC. Leona not believe in the propaganda. Whether the propaganda messages them. Whether they spread on the media for damage the minds of the people and for the mighty APC because they get some people and say, I know they vote again because then people that don't left this election, you don't go in vain. They don't left and go in vain. Now Samura left the election go in vain because of his self-interest. As journalists, even the person where they advocate for her now, where they talk for her, where they come and defend them for electoral justice with the landless. Now the first person that the way says Samura, they don't bribe and $10 million. Where even Adebayo come and debunk, what's that $10 million? But later Adebayo see the truth, say, oh, Samura don't fuck up. He come and put out that to the people. Samura don't sell out. Today, now the Adebayo themselves turn against. Say the mighty APC stakeholders, they use Adebayo, they pay Adebayo. Adebayo no they if he na then they pay well, Samura be they pay Adebayo because Samura Adebayo na advocate, na talk for Samura from the start until Samura become flag bearer. Because of the people of Sierra Leone, they want Samura. So instead of throwing in support they because always they make a message straight, not to APC, not to SLPP. It advocate for the people of Sierra Leone. But what in the people they want, instead they come in, support. Today, then they say, then they pay them, and as my Kuruma they use them, this they use and that they use them. Even the Sylvia, Olanga Bloody, where be say this woman, Sylvia, I mean they expect more good things. You as a woman, as a journalist, for advocate for the APC will bring you na light make you be a minister, a deputy minister. For you say for the help, for make sure say this mighty APC come to power, and this mighty APC, then una the woman then go get chance for let una self claim leadership tomorrow, for let woman go be president. You not the person back where they come and hit on the APC. If you not true APC person, Sylvia, anything where you see, rather than for go against the party, if for been there with the stakeholders of the mighty APC, to what you sabi and what in the sabi put on one side for move forward, rather than for the make some regular statements against the mighty APC. So some of una the pull una career because we self they come up. We they read una file them. We self they come up. For what una feel say, una they get stand for take over that party day tomorrow. We where they know what you na dey pan now get for stand against una. For them una not succeed because una not good for the APC and una not good for the people of Sierra Leone. If you stand for the truth, make sure you stand for the truth. If you na opposition, stand for fight the government where they na power, when they do the right thing for the people. Because you get for oppose where something happen when are wrong. Not where something happen when are good, you come and oppose. But you know the person where even they come and defend this SLPP regime. Where Fatima they do something the way wrong to the people of Sierra Leone, because not to the SLPP, to the people of Sierra Leone, if they rip the country, if they take what in the country for benefit, you they come and defend. Would they see you tweet? But mind you, not everybody they read their right. But if I way they go down that side, because people and they way, then they buy some of your ideas and they come and support your ideas and where BC is wrong. If you're in opposition, no, even if Fatima be friend, no, they come for defend Fatima for the rare things they're waiting to put out with Fatima they do. But I get for make special message for you, Sylvia. Because we don't see things the way they go after the mayor. Fight against them because you be get what you be want. But even you be a friend to Fatima, the SLPP people they not go allow for me to give any position na SLPP. No mind Fatima go to give you some tips. Like where they go, so where they go to you. Now then tip. Maybe that side they go, they get what they get small. But it damage itself. It damage itself. The way we been think before how you for this period of time where APC left power, it damage itself. It damage the political career. So if you listen this message, or the people who they listen this message, then go explain to you what in me they say. We they look up to the woman in another country day. Because man they know they rule, stay the country, we know they move. Now one step would they take. One step. Then now that one step they will be done they take. Mother be don't carry reverse them. So they look up to una the woman them. Forget strong woman. Where they come and stand against them man there for me, then take up the country. Because today, now the woman then they suffer in that country, they pass everybody. The woman the way they in the diaspora, now then the hustle support home. Rather than the man the way they in the diaspora. The woman the way they in the country. Now then the hustle for feed the home, for support the home, than the man the way they in the country. But for let una the woman they come together, for support each another, you know they come and fight against you company woman they like Sylvia. Akisuya. Na same. So me people of Sierra Leone, at the beg una, please. Let we stay focused and let we believe in the leadership of the mighty APC. And we still appeal back to the leadership of the mighty APC. Just like how they give a statement to them. The deputy chairman, the secretary general, and others will not relent. We then listen a statement to them, but do ya not to follow una the talk. For less alone people and say, oh, the pardon don't talk. Una talk and make sure una follow una words and una work according to what una the talk. Because we will they come and talk for una. We will they come and give una praise. If una fuck up this time, would they go against una harder? And let una know say some of we would they now una pocket them. Some of we would they now una bedroom them. Some of we would they now una room them. Would they now una house them. Now una city room them. Would they? And una not sabi we by faces, but we will know una by faces. We know una homes them. So una not joke. We need APC for Ghana Power 2028. And una make sure una enforce the SLPP government for let the census happen. Let them not boycott and let them not balance nothing. Una enforce. We ready. If una demand for demonstration, we ready for day with una. And everybody where don't aspire for become flag bearer for this 2028 coming general election. The Akisoya, the Terikoko, the Usman Timbu, una then Africa when Africa una all. Where the APC they call for demonstration for the diabolic plan, the thing the way the SLPP no want for do, when in the constitution demand for, and the APC have the demand for them. When they say demonstration, once you na Africa Ghana street, call una supporters. The Richard Conte, the Kelfara Mara, and others put local, whatever, usa you there, usa you come on, then you want for aspire as a, we don't aspire for as a flag bearer. The Jagaban at the southeast, we want for see una. Where they say demonstration, una they go now, una places them, una demand for let the people in come on. Una tina before. Una go see the massive SIP demonstration where they take place. Where we know they destroy any property, but they make sure we demonstrate until the right thing happen. So not to follow now. They see don't no more. When they see people in the pop-up photo then at the media, we tire with them photo then they. One for they get message from una. One for see how they talk against this government. One for see how they oppose this government because they not do anything in that country. They not bring any changes in that country. Rather than for tip the country and rip the country and take everything where the people for enjoying in that country. Put the country behind, put the country in repetition in the international community, na the world. One for still na, they go na radio, and una know for they allow, then one the way they interview na, you see even there's people where they hit the point them, where the journalists then, where then they hit the point them, then they balance the points there. Una know for they allow them, and they tell una what una for talk. Because at least in 110, 98.1 way somebody been good there for talk, where they say, enough for use this language, enough for not to them for tell una what una for talk. Sooner than the right thing una they talk, una make sure una talk the right thing. If they say una not for go na their side and they money they. Una they use una money then go use una money then na BBC, Al Jazeera, CNN. Una go na the medias then they. The African Voice, una go there. One for the get una voices and they. Rather than for una the day una the rango na the country round like you just stand like water well where water in the water no they run. Now so it sound like una dey na the country una they move. Yes, it makes sense for una they move na the country, talk to people them, but also una go they go internationally because na then the matter be used for Ghana Power and a propaganda use. And una get direct messages about matter be in government. We be saying a true way people and they see even around the world. But these drugs, corruption, killing, tribal division, where matter be bring una get them messages and they una able put out. Where una they see people and the text over them thing and they una they present when are real things the way matter be do. Una not just sit down as Sierra Leone. Then everybody say I want to be president. Una get for the una voice and get for the come out. Una voice and get for the come out. And this we expect from una. So my people of Sierra Leone, una be because this audio too long. I'm sorry for that, but we get a lot of messages. Now make so. I will continue for the come and talk to una by God in power. Thank you, una listening. God bless Mama Salong. God bless the mighty APC.